Hello everybody, this is Anirban Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of BHA Department, Kingston School of Management Science. Today's topic is pasta. In this PPT we know different type of pasta and different type of pasta dough, how to cut pasta with machines and the storage technique of pasta. So let's start. So pasta is normally type of Italian food. You can see that in Italy country they have famous and the staple food is pasta. Normally pasta are prepared with unleavened dough and or done with flour is also known as semolina mixed with water or egg. The formulation of making of pasta with different type of shapes and then normally they have eaten with boiling or the baking method. They have another pasta similar category product also available in other region of world. They normally prepare with your rice flour or any legumes related flour. So normally in pasta we have seen that they have prepared with your dum wheat flour also known as semolina and they have most important part of Italian cuisine. Next is the type. Is types means have pasta you can categorize in many form. Normally in this PPT you have know how the material are stored in a pasta in a certain manner. So in normally in categorize of pasta, it have two type of pasta will be available. The first one is dry pasta. They have longer shelf life. You can store a longer type. And another one is your fresh pasta. They have instant making and cooking. They have different flavor of the material of the keeping of pasta in a longer life. In dry pasta, also known as Cesecchia pasta, and fresh pasta in Italian term known as Fettuccine pasta. Okay, in dry pasta we have know what is mean dry means this type of pasta are moisture content are less because when you're keeping a pasta in a longer time or to increase the shelf life, so this pasta are prepared with the normally in a factory. They have prepared it then pasta and dry and extract all the moisture content inside. So it and keeping the or the stopping the bacteria growth of flour or the material of main material of pasta. So this type of pasta have famous with different shapes and different variety flavored are prepared. Normally this type of may prepare with dumb semolina flour, but other type of flour you can prepare this type of pasta. Next is your fresh pasta. Fresh pasta you can see the authentic flavor and feel the taste of authentic of Italian style because this type of pasta normally prepared in a home cooking on the home basis of region of Italy and different type of hotels and your different type of cooking establishment. So this type of prepare this of pasta have moisture content not be reduced. They have prepared immediately and consumed immediately because they have prepared with the fresh and eat directly. So this type of pasta have famous with different type of shape also available. Next is the pasta dough because pasta preparation is dough is the main ingredient or the main component of making different type of pasta. In pasta dough, we have see different type of variety and that variety also affect the flavor of different type of pasta. In pasta dough, normally prepare with your egg and your done with flour and also known semolina. But in variety of different type of your flour, you can prepare with different type of component of pasta. So they have seen different type of dough. First, normally you see that where your basic egg pasta normally is pasta will be prepared with face pasta. They have another con plain pasta dough. Next one is semolina pasta. This is a authentic Italian pasta when prepared in a Italian home cooking style. Next is your blunt flour pasta. Next is those people are not using egg. They use only another product to mix the pasta dough. They can use also eggless pasta. Next is your eggs pasta with your semolina flour dough. These are the different type of variety of pasta dough in available. The first is your basic egg pasta. Basic egg pasta is also known as larger flour surface because this pasta only may prepare with a normal basic preparation of pasta. They have prepared with salt, oil, and the water. You can see the picture. They have normally prepared with that and mix with your helping of your hand and mix well and prepare in a chopped dough and prepare with a certain different type of shape. This type of pasta are normally prepared with your basic dough. Next is your plain pasta dough. Plain pasta dough lemon is larger surface like similar to your basic pasta dough. They have make with different material also used, but in differ from other pasta, when you mixing the egg with the flour, they not directly use your hand. They mix with help with different fork. To gently they mix with the egg with the flour with help of a fork. After that, the gluten will be released of the flour. Then they use their hand to mix in a short ball. So that is the different technique making of your this type of pasta. Next is your semolina pasta. Semolina pasta is also known as Latin word is semolina, means flour. Okay, so this type of pasta are normally prefer your Italian region because this type of the your the basic or the authentic way of making a pasta. In Italy, they normally prefer with the semolina flour to prepare their pasta because semolina flour are given a certain different taste of related to other world pasta. Okay, this type of pasta normally you have see yellow color, but depend on the flour or the semolina category they can prepare with. Some type of have rich flavor and standard all purpose they can use for this type of pasta making. Next is plain flour pasta. In Italy, they also prepare with mixed with a plain semolina flour and all-purpose flour mixed together and prepare their pasta in another category. This type of pasta have different texture related to your semolina purpose. Next, your eggless pasta. In eggless pasta, in they prepare or mixing the pasta without using egg. They use apart with water or other liquid amount to mix the dough and as preferred making pasta. This type of pasta normally not seen in a large scale, but some region are prepared this type of pasta. Those are not eating the eggs. Next is your pasta, egg pasta with semolina flour. This type of pasta normally prepared with semolina flour dough mixed with your egg. Because the egg quantity have richer and excess, so this type of pasta can prepare with semolina flour and all-purpose flour mixture, dry element, use of egg, salt, and olive oil. This type of pasta also preferred in a Italian region and prepare different type of plain pasta. Okay. Next is another category also related to this power. Some pasta we see that in restaurant they have different type of flavor and coloring. So this type of flavor or color prepared with a natural ingredient to give the pasta in a certain flavor. So this type of pasta normally prepared in a three category. You see that normally use of different type of vegetable puree to mix the flour of the pasta dough in a certain flavor. Another one is different type of she product or C element to mix that flavor incorporate with the pasta to give a certain safe flavor. Next is pasta with your herbs. Herbs you have also important part of Italian cuisine and your European cuisine. So different type of herbs also used to prepare a herb based of pasta dough. Okay. First one is flavor pasta. In flavor pasta, the color will be natural to extract from the different type of vegetable and give the certain taste and texture of this type of pasta. In this picture, you see that different type of element are using to coloring or to flavoring the using the dough in a prepared different type of pasta. So they have not used a natural color instead of your synthetic color that they prefer to use natural food, vegetables or the other retail element to color their pasta and give the flavor. Next is your seafood color. Pasta are normally prepared in some region of Italy because this type of pasta are selected sea element are used to prepare the seafood. Normally you see the normal pasta prepared with your sea component mixed with the normal pasta and prepare this type of seafood. This type of pasta have stronger flavor related to other pasta and they have certain hint and brings flavor in your mouth. Okay, next is pasta flavor with herbs. And different type of herbs also used to prepare pasta in a different flavor and color element. So you have see the different normally in basil are also used for prepare your pasta because basil also important herbs used in Italian cuisine. Apart from that, other element of herbs they can use to mix their pasta in a pasta flavor herbs. Next is cutting machine. Cutting machine is normally used for laminated pasta or different type of pasta cutting. But different type of pasta prepared with different type of technique, but certain category of pasta they can use this type of pasta because laminated thin sheet are required for making that type of pasta. Different type of spaghetti legumes are prepared with help of this butting machine. In this picture you see that different type of attachment also available, so they can prepare the thickness of your laminated sheet according to their pasta. Okay. Next is the storage of pasta, because apart from pasta you can keep, because this type of pasta normally in dry pasta they can keep in a certain time or shelf life you can maintain, but in a proper storage of technique they can increase the shelf life. So if the pasta is not be cooked, it's a dry form pasta, so you have to keep that pasta in a airtight container. If the pasta is cooked or might be a dry raw pasta, but because raw pasta normally eaten instantly, but is pasta only cooked but it not be used for that time, can use for later, so they have mixed with little bit olive oil or any kind of oil, mix with and tight airtight container help to keep that pasta into refrigerator. To little certain time you can keep that pasta, but cooked pasta normally recommended to keep not longer time, because the bacteria can grow, but you can slow the process of growing of bacteria. But in a dry pasta you can keep in a up to 2 years in a airtight container. And this PPT is about your all the pasta, dough and types and tasks for this PPT. You have see what type of pasta normally preferred with the flavor that it making from pasta. Then see that instruction is called different type of dough. You have to prepare what type of dough are best for preparing different type of shape of pasta. Thank you.